Let's look at a paradox that you probably live with every single day. You operate a world-class, highly advanced enterprise system, and yet you're still quietly relying on manual spreadsheets.
Which brings us to a really familiar question. Why is a business running SAP still living in Excel? Think about what happens every week. Data gets extracted manually, function by function. Finance has its file. Procurement builds its own, and production and sales do exactly the same thing. You've got 4 separate functions, 4 disconnected spreadsheets, and literally zero connection to what SAP actually knows. It creates this massive gap between the live unified data your system holds and the stale, delayed Excel files the business actually sees. And the result? Your critical decisions are being made on delayed data.
So what's the fix? The obvious, elegant answer is Embedded Analytics. It's built directly inside your existing SAP environment using SAP Analytics Cloud or BW Embedded. That means no third-party tools, no manual exports, and absolutely no middleware.
It basically replaces that manual grind with a living, breathing window into the business. We're talking live KPI scorecards, exception alerts, and operational reports. It gives you one single source of truth that is always current.
The crucial point here is the outcome. Reporting is no longer this delayed weekly chore. It becomes an immediate capability. Finance closes faster. Procurement catches variances in real time. And leadership finally stops waiting around for someone to finish a spreadsheet.
Because the truth is, the data was always there. CLTech just made it visible. They act as the invisible architects behind this entirely new reality. So, if your team is still suffering through the pain of manual reporting, it's time to connect with CLTech Global to deploy this end-to-end solution.